a brand new tournament awaits us in this confined circle. This is the Dyls Survival Cup. Okay? We have a doozy of a track waiting for us here in my backyard studio. Track 1 is here. We've got to find out who will win. There were 24 teams are here to compete today for a cup and a trophy in Awards Witches here in this beautiful, wet and wild backyard. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Dylan and you're joined by Vixen, of course, the mascot of season 11 the last Marvel Days. Not here today. I'm gonna find out. Moneyballs, asteroids, wardrobe rollers, snowballs, honeybees, rose thorns, growlers, trash bags, pinkies, seals and dentals. That is electric eels, Atlantic, zebras, galaxies, circus clowns, fireworks, bananas, neon paws, misty mystics, spoilers, berry flares, zappers and grasshoppers are about to compete for something special. Here in race 1, how does it work? After 7 races, the winner of the track or the round, they'll be safe. They won't have to compete for the next track. And the last marble in the standings, whoever is in 24th, they'll get axed and they will no longer compete. The Dyls Survival Cup is underway. Who's in front? I believe that is... Who's that? That's Flashback in the lead and they win the first race. And that is going to the trash bags. Who will win? The first race of the season. Galaxies, seals and dentals, Atlantic, grasshoppers. Pinky, circus clowns, brain flares, and the Wojo Rollers. The trash bags have won the week. Wojo Rollers have lost the race 1. They will start dead last. Oh boy. That was race 1. I know, right? Only race 1. We'll be back again, hopefully for race number 2 soon enough. You can see the Wojo Rollers can redeem themselves. So far, it doesn't all look great. Until we see for race 2, I'm Dylan, signing off.